Hello everyone, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to study some of the basic concept to be used in the physics calculation, that is abbreviations in power of 10. Abbreviations in power of 10. It means abbreviation means short form. If there is a numerical value given in the 10 power, it means 10 to power 1, 10 to power 2, 10 to power 3, whatever it is. So how it is called? Okay, some of the common terms we are going to be used here. First of all, if in any numerical value, what is given? Given that 10 to power minus 3. What is it given? 10 to power minus 3, that is called milli. That is called milli. Okay. And if 10 to power minus 6 is given, that is micro. What is it? Micro. Milli is represented by a symbol m, micro is represented by a symbol this mu. Mu it is called. The symbol in the shape of U is called mu. That is 10 to power minus 3 is called milli, 10 to power minus 6 is called micro, as it is 10 to power minus 9 is called nano. 10 to power minus 9 is called nano. 10 to power minus 10 is called angstrom. After the name scientist, angstrom, symbol is A naught. And 1 angstrom means 10 to power minus 10. 1 angstrom means 10 to power minus 10 here. So now 10 to power minus 12, that is pico. P, that is pico. Okay. So these are the negative powers of 10 which we are going to be used in our numerical calculation in the upcoming lectures. So recapitulating it, 10 to power minus 3 is called milli. 10 to power minus 3 is called milli. 10 to power minus 6 is called micro. Minus 9 is called nano. Minus 10 is called angstrom. And minus 12 is called pico. These are some of the units to be used. इनके जो बीच के टर्म्स हम कम यूज होते हैं कि 10 to power minus 1, 10 to power minus 2, 4, 5 वो बहुत कम यूज होती हैं. In every calculation this is mostly used. So how it is used now? If it is written that 1 millimeter, what is given? 1 millimeter. Actual the meaning of this is 1 millimeter. Actual what is it written? 1 millimeter. So as we know, we have the values of 1 milli. Value of 1 milli is 10 to power minus 3. So we are putting the value of 1 milli, that is 10 to power minus 3, and meter as it is. हमने मिली के वैल्यू पुट किया, मीटर remains as it is. So now it becomes 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to power minus 3 meter. 1 millimeter equals 10 to power minus 3 meter. Okay. Next, what is next? 1 micrometer it is given. Micrometer, so this is micrometer actually. What is it written? Micrometer. So we are putting the values of 1 micro, that is 10 to power minus 6 meter as it is. So it becomes 1 micrometer equals 10 to power minus 6 meter. Now next is nano. If it is written that is 1 nanometer, actually it is 1 nanometer it is written. So putting the value of 1 nano means 10 to power minus 9 meter. It means if there is written 1 nanometer, that means 10 to power minus 9 meter we can use in the place of 1 nanometer. If this is written that 1 angstrom, okay, actually it is 1 angstrom, it means 10 to power minus 10 meter it is. 10 to power minus 10 meter it is. Okay, then what about next? If this is written, what is picometer? 1 picometer, actually it is written 1 picometer, so it is written as 10 to power minus 12 meter. 1 picometer is 10 to power minus 12 meter. So these are the abbreviation to be used in the calculation. If in the numerical it is given that 1 nanometer is given, so what will you write? Because we have to take the length in SI unit of length is meter, we have to convert the nanometer into meter. So we should know that 1 nanometer equals 10 to power minus 9 meter. So we have converted nanometer into meter. If this is written that 1 angstrom is there, so we have to calculate it in SI unit, that is 10 to power minus 10 meter. So we have converted the angstrom into SI unit. So these are some of the abbreviation to be used in the power of negative power of 10. So there are positive power also. How can we convert positive powers into the SI unit? So move to the next. So now positive powers of 10, an abbreviation used for that positive power of 10. Okay, the common use terms, if 10 to 3 is given, it means that is kilo. 10 to 3 is given, that means kilo. So if a symbol is k, if this is written 1 km, actually it means 1 kilometer. Actually what it means, 1 kilometer. What is the value of kilo? 1 kilo. 1 kilo having the value 10 to power 3, so it becomes 10 to power 3 meter. So 1 kilometer equals 10 to power 3 meter. So what is 10 to power 6 is called mega. Capital M is the symbol. 10 to power 6 it is given if in positive, that is called mega. So if this is written 1 mm, this is not milli. Milli stands, milli का जो symbol है वो small m है and mega का जो symbol है वो capital M है. So this is 1 megameter. So 1 megameter means this is actually it is 1 megameter. So 10 to 6 meter it is. What is it? 10 to power 6 meter. And what about next? 1 gm. It means gigameter it is called. This is gigameter. So what stands for giga? 10 to 9 is called giga. So 1 gigameter is 10 to power 9 meter. And 10 to power 12 is called tera. 10 to power positive 12 is called tera. So what is it? If this is written that what tm, it means 1 terameter. It is 1 terameter, 10 to power 12 meter. 1 terameter is 10 to power 12 meter. So we can convert the values given in the abbreviation into the SI unit. If this is written that 1 gigameter, it means 10 to power 9 meter. Okay. If 1 terameter is given, 10 to power 12 meter. 1 kilometer, that is 10 to power 3 meter. 1 megameter, it means 10 to power 6 meter. So these are the abbreviations for the positive powers of 10. So next topic is measurement of physical quantities. As we have studied, we have three fundamental physical quantities, that is length, mass and time. That is length, mass and time are the three fundamental physical quantities. We can measure the length as well as mass as well as time. So first of all, we are going to measure the length. Can we define the length? Length is the distance between 2 points. Distance between the two extreme points. Extreme on the corner. This is the marker. Okay, we have to calculate the length. It means how can we define the length? Measure तो की जा सकती है, लेकिन how can we define the length? Length means two extreme points. One point is this, one point is this of this marker. These are the two extreme points. Distance between two extreme points of this marker is called its length. So what is it? Length is the distance between two extreme points of a body. Length is distance between two extreme points of a body. एक बॉडी के जो दो एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट्स हैं, वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ मार्कर, दिस इज द वन एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट, दिस इज द वन एक्सट्रीम कॉर्नर के जो पॉइंट्स हैं, इनके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स लेंथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स लेंथ. Okay, this is the definition of length. So our topic is measurement of length. How can we measure the length of a body? So there are two methods for measuring the length of a body. First are called direct methods. First are called direct methods. What is the meaning of direct methods? Direct methods mean using instruments, measuring instruments. Means if we are measuring the length with the help of a scale, that is a direct method, because we are using a measuring instrument here. We are using measuring instrument here. Okay, we are using inchy tape for measuring the length of a cloth. That is also the direct method. So apart from the scale, there are some other measuring instrument available in our physics lab for measuring the minimum length as well. Okay, so far you have not heard about that instruments. We are going to do the practicals in the lab about that instrument, but we are going to hear the name also here. So some of the instrument, first is called, measuring instruments are, first is meter scale. First is meter scale. Meter scale, if we are using, it means we are using a measuring instrument, so we are under the direct method. When we use meter scale, if we want to calculate the length 10 to power minus 3 meter to 10 to 2 meter, it means, what is the meaning of 10 to power minus 3? That is 0.001 meter से लेके 100 मीटर तक की अगर आपने लेंथ कहीं कैलकुलेट करनी हो, 0.001 मीटर से लेके 100 मीटर तक की लेंथ अगर आपने कहीं कैलकुलेट करनी हो, तो वी कैन यूज मीटर स्केल. सो व्हाट वी कैन यूज? मीटर स्केल. ओके, सो सेकंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज वर्नियर कैलिपर. सेकंड इज वर्नियर कैलिपर. आज से पहले आपने शायद ही वर्नियर कैलिपर के बारे में कभी सुना हो, but there is an instrument vernier caliper. When we can use vernier caliper, if we want to measure the length beyond this value, it means 0.001, तो उससे भी कम वैल्यू निकालनी हो, तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वर्नियर कैलिपर इज अ मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू अप टू 10 to power minus 4 मीटर. इट मीन्स अगर हमने 0.0001 मीटर तक की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी हो, तो हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? वर्नियर कैलिपर. 10 to power 0.001 मीटर तक हम क्या यूज करेंगे? मीटर स्केल. उससे कम हो तो वर्नियर कैलिपर. दिस इज द सेकंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ एनी बॉडी. नेक्स्ट इज थर्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज आल्सो यूज्ड, दैट इज स्क्रू गॉज. व्हाट इज इट? Screw gauge is another instrument that we can use to measure the length of a body. If we want to measure the length of a body up to 10 to power minus 5 meter, it means 0.00001 meter. इतनी कम लेंथ अगर हमने मेजर करनी हो, उसके लिए what we can use? Screw gauge. Also there is another instrument, that is ferrometer. That is ferrometer. Screw gauge and ferrometer are the two measuring instrument which we can use to measure the length up to 0.00001 meter. Means हम कम से कम लेंथ भी मेजर कर सकते हैं using the measuring instrument, but that method is called direct method. If we are using any measuring instrument, that is called direct method. But instead of direct method, if we are not using any measuring instrument, but we are calculating the length from the mathematical formulas, that is called indirect method. In the next lecture we will study about the what indirect method for measuring the length of a body. So thanks and have a nice day.